Hello, children. Welcome to Math Menders Academy. Today we are going to learn something very exciting and very important about our number system. It is called place value. Place value helps us understand the value and position of each digit in a number. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to read, write, and understand numbers much better. So get ready, sharpen your minds, and let's begin our fun journey into place value. What is place value? To understand this, consider the number 24. This two-digit number can be separated into two groups of tens and four ones. Each rectangular bar here represents one 10, and each square box represents one 1 or 1 unit. Therefore, we can split 24 into two tens and four ones or 4 units, as shown on the screen. To understand this concept better, consider the objects below. Each circle represents one 1 or unit. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called 9 ones or 9 units. How can we make a 10? A bundle of 10 ones equals one 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 square boxes here, representing 10 ones. We shall group them together to form one bundle. This bundle of 10 ones is called 110. Now, let us place the number 7,954 into the correct boxes. The digit 7 goes into the thousands place. 9 goes into the hundreds place. 5 goes into the tens place. And 4 goes into the units place. Great job! Now let us look at another example. What is the place value of the ring number in 578? The ring number is 7. In the number 578, we have 5 hundreds, 7 tens, and 8 units. Therefore, the place value of 7 is 7 tens, which equals 70. Excellent work, children! See you in the next lesson. Let us build numbers. How many tens can you see? How many units can you see? What number do they make? Excellent. The number is 35. Again, how many tens can you see? How many units can you see? What number do they make? Excellent. The number is 67. Next, how many tens can you see? How many units can you see? What number do they make? Excellent. The number is 42. Hooray! Pupils, you can build numbers. How can we write a number in expanded form? Consider the number 35. This can be split into 3 tens plus 5 units. So, we write 35 in expanded form as 35 equals 30 plus 5. What about 67? In expanded form, 67 becomes 6 tens plus 7 units, which is equal to 60 plus 7. Let's look at 42. "42 is equal to 4 tens plus 2 units. Which is equal to 40 plus 2. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to compare numbers. Look carefully at these numbers, 35 and 24. First, compare the tens. 35 has 3 tens. 24 has 2 tens. 3 tens are greater than 2 tens. So, 35 is greater than 24. Now, let us compare another pair of numbers, S, 42 and 67. First, look at the tens. 42 has 4 tens. 67 has 6 tens. For tens are less than 60 ends. So, 42 is less than 67. Now look at these numbers. 58 and 58. They both have 5 tens and 8 units. The numbers are the same. So, 58 is equal to 58. Equal numbers have the same value. Excellent work, children. Now we have learned greater than, less than, and equal to. Keep practicing comparing numbers. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing every day, and you will become a math superstar. If you enjoyed this lesson, please ask your parents or teachers to subscribe to Math Menders Academy. Like this video, share it with your friends, and write your answers or comments in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next exciting math lesson.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught